Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Goodbuds. Let's get back on this photo booth, man. This is gonna be season 11, and so man, it's been some insane growth. This is gonna be season vid 6 and 7. So let's take a look at these girls. So this is the cross of the Going Bananas and not the Going Bananas, but the Cat and Off. This is the Going Bananas. It was the cross of the Cat and Off. Cross of the Bananas number 3. So they getting really big right now. We got these girls in those 1-gallon pots. So we don't do much this week. We did pinch those tops. We got a couple of them forming double tops because they got pinched all the way off. And basically just gonna let these girls grow. And look like we got a little bit of leaf powdery mildew, and the leaves need to come out down there. But this grow is during the winter time, so I do be having, that's the time I have a lot of issues with the powdery mildew at nighttime, man. When those lights drop down below 10 degrees. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel as well, man. But that's why we keep up with the 3-peat. This is gonna be day 42, so we still up underneath the Mars Hydro SP3000. You already know those are pretty much my favorite lights to grow up under. We got the mother plants in here as well, and then we got the 5 plants that are gonna go. Eventually, they're gonna go up underneath the FCE 6500. And then we got one top here that's still bent over. That's gonna allow a lot of those side branching and internodals to start to grow up. And that's gonna get crazy as well. So I can't wait to see these girls, or for you guys to see these girls get big. And we're gonna make sure we document all this research that we got, and we're gonna continue on to breed these genetics further down the line. And right now I'm just trying to figure out exactly which ones was actually my favorite, which I pretty much figured out already. But it's still best to go ahead and grow out all the plants, all the genetics, at least like 5 or 6 of each seed, so that we can get a good idea what those genetics, the different diversity in those genetics that we can get. Because each one of these is like different kids, so they can all be completely different. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing some of these bigger fan leaves, not only to help with airflow and the powdery mildew, but to also allow the light to get to these side branches, man. And this is what basically makes the growth explode, which is fucking crazy. As soon as we remove these big ass fan leaves, we allow that light to come through, man. They really start going crazy and busting out the sides, and this is how you bush out that plant. So I want you guys to take note of that as well, because the more I took off, the better it did. And as long as we leave some at the top, and make sure, as while we doing that as well, man, y'all don't forget, man, to check out the Mars Hydro drainage system, man, because we could be using this as well with the current grow. Now, what's cool about this thing is it actually has a pump that you can actually pump out the water as you water it, so no more feet sitting inside the water. Make sure you use that code as well, Goodbuds, and pair it with the drip irrigation system. What if you had a grow planner app that had an AI in it that you could scan your plant and tell you exactly what's going on, man? Keep detailed logs, even set alarms so you never forget what you're supposed to be doing to your garden. And look no further, man. Check out the Growmies planner and Hangout, man. The planner app where you can completely log your entire growth from start to finish, no matter what stage of life they're in, no matter what you're doing to that plant. It is included in this app, man. You can completely take control of your entire growth. Introducing Trico, the new AI power system where he can completely scan the entire app, and he's going to know exactly what's going on. He can scan your plants. You can ask him about your current growth situations, and he keeps track of everything that's going on, man. Make sure y'all download this in the App Store. And don't forget, man, we got the Hangout as well. That's the community. Get to know your Growmies, man. We can all talk and share our plans together, man. Let's share our success, man, together with the Growmies, Planner, and Hangout. Download it now. Link in the bio. So this is day 44, and we're going to go ahead and get into day 47. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below, and you subscribe as well, man. And make sure you check out that app, man. That app is really sensational. I'm telling you, we did real good with that. So as you can see, only a couple days later, and we got explosive internodal growth on those sides. As long as we maintain those solar panels that we got around those tops, man, the rest of that shit at the bottom can go. And we can start to, as you can see, man, document this, man. Because this is all for research purposes, man. As you can see, look at how crazy the side branches starts to get, man. Insane growth. Just removing because they was just blocked by the light. That's simple. That's as simple as it. They were blocking the light. So when those side branches can get the amount of light that they start getting, they start to explode. They start to reach out for that light, and that's what they want to go for. I'm gonna even remove a couple more on this one because I feel like these top ones right here, as you can see, they're not getting as much light. Go ahead, remove this one as well. Yep, I already know. And so we're gonna make sure all these girls are uncovered. Cause after I seen that, I'm like, what the? I'm like, yo, that shit is going crazy. I'm about to go ahead and remove more of that shit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I should remove that leaf right there, really, but you don't want to take out. Yeah, and this one had plenty leaves. You see how many leaves it had there at the top? I could have definitely removed some more. But make sure y'all subscribe to the video if y'all want some more, man. Make sure y'all like, comment down below, and get that at, man. This your boy Goodbuds, man. We up out of here, man. Peace.